back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Get Deluxe Mega Beauty Edit Kit by Little Mix new makeup line, LMX. So this is Little Mix's second makeup line. It is sold at Boots, which is located in the UK, and unfortunately it is only sold in the UK, so I had to buy this off of eBay, which the sellers on eBay and also on Amazon are doubling amount or even tripling the amount that this costs. That alone was like too much, and then on top of that, shipping's like $15, and then on top of that had to pay tax, sales tax, and then on top of that, since it's in a different currency, I had to pay like an extra $2. So in total I paid $82 for this. But I really want to get the Luxe kit just because it has way more items in this kit rather than the other kits. I think the other kits came with like 2 or maybe 4 items. I want to review as many as I can. So this is what the box looks like that it comes in. It kind of reminds me of the Wishmaker packaging because it has all 4 girls and they're kind of like positioned like this on the Wishmaker packaging. And then on the back it has all the items that comes in this kit, as well as all the information and ingredients that's in each item. And then once you open it, it looks like this. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of expected the box to be a little bit more bulkier. It has all 4 girls at the top. I really like how the font and how the packaging is kind of like a hollow effect. Well, mostly the font. The font's more of a hollow effect, and then like the rest of the packaging is kind of like an iridescent effect. I really like that a lot. So in this kit you get some glitter powder, lip liner, eyeliner, lip gloss, liquid matte lipstick, eyeshadow brush, some rhinestone stickers, glitter eyeliner, some glitter primer for the glitter eyeshadow, an eyeshadow palette, and 2 highlighters. So that is what you get in this kit. So I'm first going to review the highlighters first. So you get 2 highlighters. The first one is named Lightning, and at first from the photos I thought this was going to be a more pearly white type of highlighter. Like, I didn't think it was going to look good on me, but looking at it, it's like a very light champagne goldish yellow color. And another thing is that I haven't opened these yet and they're very messy already, so I don't know if it's from the seller that I purchased this from or if it was just manufactured like this. Oh wow, looks a very nice highlighter. It's very subtle when you first apply it onto your face. Like, I really hope you guys can see it on the camera, and I really hope you guys can't see my pimples right now because I did not feel like covering them up today. So this is like a champagne color mixed, and it has gold glitters in it, and it looks very natural still, even though I kind of built it up a little bit. But you can build it up even more if you want to shine like a sun or a sun goddess. So the next highlighter is Petals, and I actually thought that this was a blush. So this is very interesting. It's like a nice pink highlighter. So this is what Petal looks like on my skin, and I actually really like this shade a lot just because it's very subtle and not too much. Like, you can actually wear this as like a regular highlighter. Both of the highlighters are very subtle. So if you're someone who doesn't like very pigmented highlighters, or if you're afraid that the highlighter may not suit your skin tone, I feel like both of these highlighters will suit everyone's skin tone because it is very subtle. You can build it up if you want to. So now I'm going to review the lip products. So the shade is Cupid, and this is what it looks like. Right off the bat, it smells pretty good. So first off, this is not my color. The color is actually very nice. I just don't like it on me. That's the thing. And it is very streaky when I'm applying on it, which is so weird because when I swatched it on my hand, it looked very nice and pigmented, but applying it on my lips, I really do think that it is the applicator, because the formula is very nice. It's not like sticky or anything like that. It is just dry, because you can see my dry cracks. If you can't see them, that's a blessing. So now I'm going to try out their lip gloss. The color's name is Summer Rain, and this looks like a very pretty pink nude color, and it has sparkles inside of it. Smells very good. It smells like cupcakes and also a little bit of strawberry cupcakes. Oh, this feels nice. It's not sticky. And it's a very nice lip gloss. I really like it a lot. So this is what the lip liner looks like. I also really like the packaging on this. And this is in the shade Hold Up. I really like this color a lot. It's like a very nice natural tone color. Like, I can wear this alone or with the lip gloss on top, or even with that lip gloss on top, the Summer Rain. So this is their loose glitter in the shade Copper Cat. I really like the packaging of the glitter primer. It looks so pretty. So now we're going to try the rhinestone stickers. And I feel like this is not going to fit my eyes just because I got different shapes. My eyes are different shapes. Oh no, oh my god. Maybe that does help because it's catching it. Okay, so this feels very uncomfortable on my eye. This feels very uncomfortable on my eyes. I thought that putting them on will be a struggle, but it actually wasn't. Like, I really like the concept of this idea. You know, it's just not right for me. I'm really wondering if this is what wearing false eyelashes feels like. So next I'm going to be trying out the glitter eyeliner, and this is what it looks like. Gold Magic. It looks very, very nice. It looks pretty pigmented. It's a really nice golden color too. And you can also wear this as a base for your eye makeup, your eyeshadow look. You can also do that too. But I really like it a lot. And next is the eyeliner and Line Up. And it's just a nice pencil eyeliner. Next is the eyeshadow brush, and this is what it looks like. I really like the color of the brush. The colors mix very well together. Okay, so now on to the eyeshadow palette. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. on the back, it does have the names of each shade on the back, which I like. So all the shades are basically like shimmery shades. But as you can see that some of them are made differently than others. Like some of them have a different consistency than the other shades do. Because it's hard to make every single like shimmery eyeshadow the same kind of consistency. So the first shade is the one, and this is a shimmery beige color. This was not pigmented and I had to build this up. The next shade is Dreamy, and it's this beautiful pink color with golden glitter, and this was very patchy applying on my eyes, but as I built it up it looked a lot better. The next shade is Come On Over, and it's this white shimmery color with white glitter. I put this on my inner corners and it was very powdery. It was not pigmented. It took me forever to build it up. The next shade is Egyptian Cotton, and it's this golden shimmery color with golden glitter. This was not pigmented, applying onto my eyelid, and it was very powdery. I built it up as much as I could and I didn't get the results that I wanted. The next shade is Sundown, and this is a typical shimmery brown color. I had no problems applying this onto my eyelids. The next shade is Stay Now, and this is a beautiful coppery brown color. The next shade is Ammunition, and this is a faded red color with red glitter underneath. This wasn't as pigmented applying onto my eyes, but it was very good at building up. The next shade is Summer Song, and this is a beautiful purple color with pink undertone. This is actually my favorite shade in the whole entire palette. The last shade is Curtain Fall, and it's this pretty dark brown color. So overall, I liked majority of these products. The only one that I liked the least was the liquid lipstick, just because the color, I didn't like how the color looked on me, but the color could look good on you if you want to. I know the color looks good on them. Everything looks good on them, okay? My favorite products in this kit was the lip gloss and also the highlighters. I mostly like the lightning highlighter the best, just because it's just a nice natural highlighter and it's very subtle, as well as the lip gloss. The lip gloss was very lightweight, it's not sticky, and it looks very nice on me, and it will look nice on every single body. Another thing is that I really do wish that their makeup line was available worldwide and online rather than available in the UK. You know, I'm just kind of tired of it. So I do want to review more of their makeup and their makeup line. I have to do it quick because this is a limited edition. That's another thing that sucks. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.